What are you doing? Ew, what are you doing? Hi, guys.
Hi, Ileana.
Tia Ileana, for you, ma'am. What are you doing? Encarnación. That's hilarious.
Look at that cute little chick.
Say your name. Say your name.
My name is...
Hold on, wait, you guys, I can't see and my arm can only reach so far and it's going to give out pretty soon. Because I have been working on that Wii and my arm hurts. Okay, you look scary. You look scary. Stop it.
I can't take my arms out.
I can't wait to marry him. I love him.
Okay. What's your name?
Stephanie.
Stephanie what? Come on, go.
Jocelyn Stephanie Luna.
Alright. Alright, hold on, wait. My arm. Transferring arms.
What's your name, Vanessa?
What's your name? Say what? Oh, habla más duro. I didn't understand a thing you just said. Shh. Get in trouble.
You're so funny.
All I heard was Cynthia. What about the other name? Cynthia what? Okay. And how old are you? Hmm? What are you doing? What are you doing to me?
That's in your nose.
Why?
I don't know. I look like it. What do you have on your nose?
It's a nose ring. Can I get a kiss? Can I get a kiss on my cheek? You sneeze. What are you doing back there? Wait, nope. That's ugly. That's really scary. Baby, we don't need... No, man, come on. You're scaring me.
I suggest you stick with your city attorney and save yourself my $25,000 retainer.
$25,000?
Tomorrow.
Dead bodies buried in your little homie project.
The deeper we dig, someone's supposed to give that information out. The more disturbing
You're too
this case
cute.
gets.
Can you say my name?
Call me. Yeah.
You sound like you're irritated with me.
Ow.
You have pretty hair, you know that?
You have good eyes.
You think I have pretty eyes? I think that's the sweetest thing I've ever heard. What? My eyes? My mouth?
Ow.
That's only so I can eat you better, my dear.
Hello. How are you? Vanessa's cuckoo. Look at her.
You look like Ted Bundy. Stop. Stop it. Come on.
Oh, sorry. Vanessa,
Oh.
tenés que tú, Vanessa.
All right,
She's scary.
Lo voy a dejar aquí en el Carolina, ahorita que nos vayamos.
we're just playing.
No mira quién suena la camisa que tenía ahí.
Well.
Where's my other sandal? Can you look for this under the bed?
Hi, Reggie. You make me gratty.
You're the one that's sitting on my leg.
You're a wedgie. Just give me a wedgie.
Can you stop picking your wedgie in front of me? That's disgusting. Gross.
Marlon?
Yucky.
Ow, my neck actually hurts. Ow, right here. Ow, it hurts. It hurts.
Yeah.
I need you to be gentle.
Your feet hurt. Hey,
My
girl.
neck.
How are you, girl? Are you
My
girl?
mouth? My mouth doesn't hurt. Ouch. Ow.
He's been saying all morning, go take a shower, go take a shower, go take a shower. And he still hasn't taken a shower.
We have that in your nose.
What? I don't know.
Touch your nose.
I think it's pretty. You don't think it's pretty?
Touch it in your nose.
What?
Touch in your nose.
You want me to touch inside of my nose? I don't want to.
Yeah.
You do it.
Now you do it.
I want you to teach me how it's done. Show me how to do it. No, not in my nose.
In your nose.
No.
How about this?
No.
Oh my god, that hurts. Stop.
I
Ow.
want you to give me my other shoe.
Okay, wait. Stop. Get off my face, please. Give me a kiss and we're gonna end this. Come on.
My other shoe.
I was
my
gonna-
shoes,
I'm gonna tickle you.
My shoes that are down there. My regular
Okay.
shoe.
Ow.
Yeah.
Stop. Say peace. One love.